Okay, today we're putting together a system to determine the static water level in a water well. And what we have going here is a 200-foot length of speaker wire shown on this spool. Speaker wire has a footage mark, every 1 foot marked on the insulation, 14 gauge wire. And what we have here is just a weight PVC that's filled with sand, capped on each end. And right on the end we have the open wires of the speaker wire. Conceptually, when the wires are in air, they should have infinite resistivity. And when the assembly, the weight and the cable is lowered into the well, and as soon as it contacts water, there'll be some conductivity which will show up on the voltmeter when the opposite end of the speaker wires are connected to this voltmeter. So let's go ahead and put this thing in the well and see how it works. Okay, we'll take the cap off the well, which brings us, and let's just start dropping this thing down in. 19 feet. So I'm just going to hang this off right here now and get my voltmeter. Okay, we have some deflection in the needle there now, so we're in the water, so let's just pull up. Okay, I'm seeing right in here. I'm going in the water, out of the water. I'm seeing a small deflection in the needle. In, out, in the water, out of the water, in the water, out of the water. Okay, here we're going to take a little bit closer look at the deflection in the needle. Here I'm in the water. There I'm out of the water, in the water, out, and I'm only lowering it 1 or 2 inches to get that deflection. And then I can read the cable. Might not be very easy to see, but I'm looking at the right here is it says 133 feet. Mine is about 4 inches, so we're between 132, 133 feet for the static water level, which is about where I expected it to be. So that turns out to be a pretty accurate, simple technique using some readily available materials to get your static water level. So I'm going to hang this off and spool this up again. I'll put my leads. And I'll probably try and perfect this a little bit so that it's easy to get the leads on and off of these cables and such. But I plan on just leaving this hanging in the well, the speaker wire, after I get the pump in, so that I can easily just hook up, raise or lower the cable a little bit, and check on my water level. So endeth the lesson.